Today we're going to be reviewing some of Woodpaws wooden dice trays. Now they make a range of products from desk organizers to dice vaults, and with that I asked them, hey, I want to check out some of your stuff. You've got some crazy cool custom things, and they sent me out a Cherrywood dice tray. And the first thing you're going to notice about it is this Cherrywood. It is quality wood. It's not the balsa stuff like I got at Walmart to make my stuff. This is really nice wood. It's heavy, it's got a nice weight to it, and it says quality. Now, I gotta say that the custom name on there is really nice too, but we'll get back to that in a minute. The next thing I want to talk about is the leather insert. Because it's this real leather, it really softens your dice rolling and makes things a lot quieter, and it's nice to look at, honestly, over felt. And looking at the business end of it here, it's got your name put in almost like black ink onto the wood. Not only that, it has these golden ends on the side, which of course if it's gold, I'm gonna like it, but the name is what really threw me here. I was thinking that this was gonna be cheap, it was gonna be vinyl just placed on there, and I was gonna be able to scratch it off, but honestly, I can't. I tried to scratch it off a lot. It's not. It's like the wood itself has been dyed black. Not only are you allowed to get your name customized on there, you can put symbols, and I thought it was awesome that they actually looked up my YouTube channel and put my name just the way it shows up on my YouTube header. So props to them. The next thing is how much does it hold? I'm able to actually fit 6 whole sets of dice on there. I'm a diceaholic, but I know if you're watching my channel, you're a diceaholic too, so I know that that's important to you. Rolling on here, again, they don't roll very far, which is great. It makes them easy to pick up, and they're quiet, and I'd say it rolls pretty good. Because of the leather on there, it actually holds your dice really well. Like I said, you're not going to be pushing your dice around trying to pick them up. You can see I'm tilting it really far here, and the dice only just begins to fall over. And because of the leather, this is a sharp metal dice point. You can stab it in there, and it doesn't show a whole lot of your dice rolls. I've tried that with wooden ones, and you're going to get scratches all over them. But now I can also show what my typical setup is. As a DM, I need to fit a lot of minis on there. I put a huge gargantuan mini, a full set of dice, 2 other minis, and pens and pencils over in the slot on the side. This is my typical setup for it, and I still have plenty of room, even with minis on the inside, to roll some dice. So if you're worried about table space, don't. This will help you with that, honestly. The only downside I have to say to this is the bottom is some sort of balsa wood, but that doesn't matter to me because how often am I going to hold my dice tray upside down? I'll never see this, so I'm not really going to take points off for it. I think it's fine. It makes it lighter and cheaper. And another thing that's not its intended purpose, if you like to use spell cards, especially the Wizards of the Coast ones, these fit great in there. So with the magic item cards that I've made, and everything kind of just lines up perfectly for a D&D game. This is a great example of a player setup because in a confined space, you can really fit everything you need for a game. Lastly, George from Woodpaws, who sent me this out, would like me to mention that they do make dice vaults that fit in that slot. That's what it's intended for. It's got a lid so that you can store your dice in it and carry them a lot easier than just leaving it open like that. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put a link in the description down below to the Woodpaws Etsy site to where you could get your own custom set if you want. Let me know if there's some other things you might like me to review in the future. I got this one for free, and George has just been awesome. He helped me during my car wreck so that I could still make some extra content for you guys. This is just additional content. It's not a replacement for my normal stuff. If you like to check out making dice and terrain, etc., please maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Hope you have a great day.